Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the Evo. Need a little bit of energy. So in today's video, our goal is to go ahead and get the head installed and get everything put on and get the car started. So go ahead and follow me along for today. We're gonna go ahead and hopefully get this thing done today because I want to get it running. I'm tired of just seeing it sit. So we got everything we need right here. Show you guys pretty much what we have to do to get this put on and hopefully get the car running today. All right, so all we have to do now is finish removing the head. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a quick time lapse just to get all of this right here removed, and whatever we need from this head, go ahead and put on the other head so that we could have everything done just to drop in and get this car running. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we got to go ahead and drain the oil pan because we're going to go ahead and remove the timing cover, and the timing cover is attached to the oil pan. Once we remove this timing cover, pretty sure we could go ahead and start removing the head. Yeah, let's go ahead and start draining the oil. So we already took off the chain. I was just inspecting it to see if it was the old or the new updated chain. That one was the old outdated chain, which is more prone to stretching. And now what I am going to do is remove the guides and the tensioner. So I am going to put you guys on a quick time lapse so I could go ahead and get this part removed, and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Okay, so for the DSM, I know we use a 14 millimeter 12-point socket. The 14 is too big for the Evo 10. It's actually a 13. That's crazy. So that means that the studs on the DSM are way bigger than this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start loosening up the studs because I already removed everything from the timing side. So there's pretty much nothing holding it back. So yeah, let's go ahead and start removing this right here. Okay, so we ran into a little issue. This socket does not fit in here to remove this stud. I had to buy this little socket, and as you can tell, I grinded the top down because right here you cannot fit the regular socket. So what you got to do is you got to use this an extension and grind it down, and then it fits perfect. We already finished removing all the ARP head studs. I had to remove them all because you cannot lift the head up just like that with the studs being in the way. I already removed the bolts from the manifold, so now we're gonna go ahead and raise this head up. Oh yeah, easy breezy. Make sure nothing is holding it back right here. Actually, there is. I couldn't it clamp off, but let's just go ahead and remove it like that. Let's go ahead and clean all this out. Probably gonna see if I can use a degreaser or something. Whoa, this thing's all clogged up. I wonder what that's for. Oh, it looks like it's nothing. So now all I gotta do is I gotta replace these sensors, put them on the new head. I don't think I'm gonna be using this one because this is the one that's for the Mavic on the exhaust side. And remember, we're doing the Mavic delete, so we did get a plug that goes on here, so we will not be using the sensor. I do need this sensor. I already took this sensor off so I wouldn't break it, and this one we're gonna use as well. So yeah, what we are gonna end up doing is I'm gonna try to remove as much of the carbon buildup that I can from these pistons, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and clean these as much as I can. The cylinder walls, they still got a little bit of crosshatch. They're not bad. But yeah, pretty much everything right here looks pretty good. So that is all for this video. I don't want to make it too long, so I am going to cut it into a two-part video. The next one is going to be the installation of the head. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.